Hi, it's Neil. I'm back in my kitchen, and today I'm going to look at the CKeep pulse oximeter. And so, with everything going on in the world today, and people are all complaining about wearing masks and whatnot, people are saying, well, I'm running out of oxygen, so can't breathe with the mask on. So I'm going to do a little test. It won't be in this video, but this video I'm just going to review the thing, but I bought it to do the test. So it comes with the contraption and all. I'm just showing you, see what's in the box here. It comes with a little strap, comes with instructions, and let's take it all apart and check it out. So you have the strap, go back up a little bit. So I'm just gonna put it on here while I put it together, drop the batteries, and let's open up the contraption here, see what it looks like. I mean, I think these things are all fairly basic, so see how it goes. It's got the little section back there, batteries. Okay, so let's see, put the batteries in. Looks pretty straightforward. They're just two AAA batteries, so pretty simple. Lights up already. So this is how it looks. So we're checking it out for the first time here. So if I put my finger in there, and I'm guessing I push my button, and it must be doing the measurement now, upside down. So let's see how we do here. And there it is. So my oxygen level looks like it's 98, and my pulse is 78 right now. Oh, there we can see it, sort of there. Looks pretty good. It's got a little plastic film over the glass. That's probably why it doesn't look so good. There we go. There. Now it's probably easier to see and read. But it looks like it works. I'm pretty happy with my oxygen content since I haven't really been doing anything. So, but I'm going to try it later, and I'm going to try it with my mask on and give it some other things just to see if I really run out of air by keeping a mask on for a certain period of time. I'll probably go ride my bike and check it out that way. But as far as this pulse oximeter, it seems to work. I took my finger out, it's back down to 0 again. And it's the CKeep pulse oximeter. This is the box here for it. And let's just look at the instructions here. Just show you that, just make sure it's something easy to read. And yeah, it's all pretty basic and easy to read English instructions. It's hard to see with the light on here, but you can see it there. That's what to do. I would say it's a keeper. So, oh yeah, on my channel, like and subscribe so you can get updates whenever I look at new products. But so this is the pulse oximeter, and I give it a thumbs up.